This is a house of two halves with all your living, bedroom and functional spaces upstairs and the fun spots down. Kia ora, I'm Shar here at 36 Huxley Street in Timaru. I wonder what will be your favourite spot in this fabulous two-storey home.
Violet as a colour crayon. We were running through the fields, you had flowers in your hand. We were all chasing phantoms. Baby, you would hold them still and I'd grab on. Yeah, well, if you're scared of the dark, let the run-down street lights be your stars. And then picture swings in the park, and I'll swing with you. Sing it with me. Sing it with me. And we'll go howling at the moon. It's no use living if you're already dead. It's not worth saying if it's already said. Even if it all goes over your head, believe it if you want to. I said it's not worth living if you're already dead. It's not worth saying if it's already.
So are you tinkering with cars in the garage, creating an indoor pot plant oasis in the conservatory, or giving this amazing rumpus room a zhuzh up? Can't wait to hear what you're going to do if you were the proud new owner of 36 Huxley Street. And who knows, maybe we'll even have time for a game of table tennis.